To sign up with the WorldRemit app on your mobile phone, start by opening the app or visiting the website by searching for it in your web browser. Once you've accessed the app or website, you'll see the options to log in or sign up. Select the Sign Up option to create your account. You'll be prompted to enter your country, followed by the email address you want to use. Next, create a password, ensuring it meets the required criteria of having at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. If you have a referral code, you can enter it at this stage, or you can choose to skip this step if you don't have one. You'll also be given the option to opt out of receiving marketing information and notifications. Simply select this if you don't want to receive them. Once you've completed these steps, tap the Continue option to create your account. This process should be straightforward, and you'll be able to set up your account with the WorldRemit app.